Okay, so I just did an epic interview with Vin Clancy, who is a growth hacking expert and now is teaching how to use ChatGPT specifically to marketers and entrepreneurs and telling them how to make money with it. And like he said, nobody else is doing this. Everyone's selling their prompt packs and like services and all that's great, but we need to know how to make money right now. So here's a couple key takeaways from the interview I just did. Number one, he says you can use it to apply for way more jobs. So you can have AI write your cover letter. You could, create a good template and say, I want you to say XYZ and customize this and send that off and get in front of way more people and have your application stand out. You can use it to come up with all of your content ideas and post like 3 or 4 times a day. He's using it right now to post every 30 minutes because he helps businesses and agencies grow, and then they find the best piece of content and then you create an ad out of that. So if you are selling yourself as a service provider or you have an offer to sell, that could be a great way to go using ChatGPT. And the third game-changing way he talked about is that you can use it to validate all your business ideas. So use it as your own personal business coach. So if you're not sure if something's going to connect, you can post it in ChatGPT or some other AI tool, ask if it thinks it's going to work, and it'll spit back a bunch of things that will save you a bunch of time, like possible pitfalls, things to include in your offer. You can have it design an entire offer for you. You can ask it to coach you in the style of Alex Hermosi and get good results. So business coaches, maybe step it up or use AI because it might replace your job too. In general, look, there's a lot of fear around AI replacing jobs. It doesn't have to do that, but the really smart marketers and copywriters are going to use it along with their existing skill set to do more faster and better. So if you're not winning yet with ChatGPT, you should do it. And you should also get Vin's book. I recommend it. It's called ChatGPT Freedom, and it has 50 ways to make at least $10,000 in the next 30 days. You can get it at chatgptbundle.com. Highly recommend.